Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1975 Pontiac Grandville Brougham convertible killer car, guys. This is car's got 54,000 original miles. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Just a killer car. Factory color combination. Matter of fact, this car has is almost all original. I believe it's got almost all the original paint. Those pinstripes you see on the side are the painted on from the factory style. All original interior. The two-tone interior. Factory white convertible top. It still has all the original, including the front and rear glass, original soft ray glass in it. Killer car, man. Runs and drives excellent. I don't know if you've ever had the pleasure of getting in one of these things and driving them. They hit the road outstanding. Just a fun car to drive. Good looking car. Was actually bought new in Grosse Pointe, Michigan, which if anybody knows that area, that's a pretty highfalutin area, and then spent most of its life in Marco Island, Florida. Pretty car. You can, again, original paint, so yes, it's got some stone pecks. You can nitpick the car. This is, and I'll tell you what, I didn't have my guys really do a whole lot of detail. I wanted this car left alone so that you can see. But like I say, you can go around. There is some blemishes in the paint. You can nitpick the car, but the car really is a survivor type car. Chrome and stainless is nice. I mean, this is just a pretty car. Like I say, it runs and drives just excellent. Air blows ice cold. Factory two-tone. Actually, it's white, and they actually call it ox blood. It's a real dark red that's inside. Dual sport mirrors. I believe this is original top, guys. Well, it's got to be. It's got the, and it's in great shape. If you want to nitpick, you can see a little fraying here. Some little things like that, but the top itself is in excellent shape. And again, original soft ray glass rear window. All the glass is original, including the front windshield. That's usually the hardest thing to find, is an original front windshield. Great car though, man. Fun car to drive. Like I say, the air blows ice cold. The day I bought it was 85 degrees. You sit in there and just crank the air up and it'll freeze you out of there. Car's nice and straight down the sides, original fender skirts. Now obviously they've changed the tires. Those are Hankook radial white wall tires. Factory 15-inch Pontiac rallies. Still got the stock single exhaust with the original converter still on it. Yes, I could be swayed to put duals on it to open that 455 up and let it breathe a little bit, but I did not want to do that because, like I say, I wanted everybody to see this car for exactly what it was. Yeah, I like this car a lot, guys. Matching numbers, 455 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, factory air blows cold. It's got cruise control. I can't tell you if I've checked that. We'll have to get it out and drive it and check the cruise. But he said everything on it worked. And again, we left this thing alone. Other than just cleaning it up a little bit, I did not want my guys messing with this thing a whole lot. It's the original insulation underneath the hood. 400 turbohydramatic trans. That's just a killer car, man. Yeah, it's from Marco Island. Loaded up, power windows, power locks, all that stuff works. Look at this, all these are oil change stickers. You can see 37,000 on this one. Original door tag. Remote driver's mirror, power driver's seat, that works. Original sill plates, original carpet. Factory, I think they call it a 60/40 split bench seat. Interior is very, very nice, guys. Convertible tops, power, it works excellent. Cruise, 54,884. Again, power top, factory AM/FM radio, it works. You can see the dash is nice. Somebody's loved this car. Somebody has kept this car nice, guys. There's one little spot of seen in the carpet. Again, factory single exhaust, factory 10-bolt rear end with a rear sway bar. Matter of fact, front and rear sway bars. Car drives excellent. Little dust in there, guys. Factory jack was spare. Of course, it's got all the original stuff here in the trunk, but you can see just how nice and clean this thing is. Original boot, I put it on there, but it had been the first time it had been on in years. All your original owner's manuals, all that stuff is there for the car. Even it's light out so you can see, but the original trunk light still works in here. Great car, man. Killer car. Clean underneath. Like you say, we didn't mess with it a whole lot. Tried to really leave it alone. I just didn't want this car to look, you know, like somebody was trying, Mark there, like somebody was trying to detail it out. You know what I mean? I wanted this car to look exactly like it should. You can see all your little interior lights work. It's just a nice, nice car. And these cars, just like I say, they're just a pleasure to drive. Look how nice that dash is. Gauges are nice and clean. Radio works. I mean, I didn't see anything that didn't work. Check the cruise when you go down the road, Jordan, see if it works. It's the only thing I can't say that I did check. This thing just runs and drives outstanding. Cold out, so you can see the choke works. That is just a nice, nice car, man. Yeah, you'll push that button when you go down the road and see if it'll kick on. Fuel gauge works. Everything else is on lights. Stock single exhaust. Hopefully you can see all the lights work. Backup lights work. Nice set of duals would definitely sound good on this car, but like I say, I couldn't do it, guys. Radio works, blower motor works. doors open and close nice. And this car's it's just a killer car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Boy, that's a pretty car. Have a great day, guys.